Move kills, you're down 1100. Oh, man. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. You'll get it back. Nice and slow.
Daddy, chill.
Get the treadmill started. Do you? So the Nasdaq. Let's see. I mean, right now it's going really slow. And I know at 1400 they were talking about the MOC meeting minutes. See if there was like anything good. I don't think there was. Most participants supported keeping rates unchanged at the July 2029 meeting, but several favored a hike. Many participants judged higher rates would likely be necessary if inflation and failed to decline. But we've already said that it is declining, so I don't know why they're playing that silly game. That they think that they might have to raise it. It's only on the evaluation, still haven't passed one yet. You really need to find the plan and just stick with it, right? What works, and then make sure you accept your losses. Most of the time, it's just money management. I mean, if you stick around and watch me, maybe you'll learn something. Antonio. Let's see. Inflation outlooks was broadly unchanged from June, while the economic outlook was a touch weaker. Almost all members backed retaining language, affirming the MOC will deliver price stability. Oh, wow. So really nothing. They really gave a big bunch of nothing and wasted everybody's time. The way. Let's see how the morning would have played out. I don't see looked like it was pretty easy, honestly. Had a sell here, pretty easy. Sell. Sell. And up. Much too much. And now we're just flatline on the Nasdaq. Do you? So on my trade day, I'm over $4,000 in profit. So now I won't be penalized if I start taking money out. Like not penalized, but like it won't be 50-50 anymore. It'll be 80-20. And then I took a payout yesterday on Lucid. I've been absolutely, knock on wood, destroying August. Destroying August. August was kind of slow too. That's what's surprising. The other way. Can you guys hear me? I want to make sure you guys can hear me. What's up, Bab? What? What's up? What's up? How'd you guys do today? Oh, here we go. See if we can get a trade out of this. Can you guys hear me? Just want to make sure. Hello? I hate you. Well, nobody's answering me, so I have no idea. Be here talking to myself. How'd you guys do today? There she is, Christine. This money here, honestly, I didn't even trade that much. I took a little bit of larger sizes, but I only used the sweep strategy. That's all I did today. I had training, so I couldn't pay attention. Christine, 600. Nice. Not as good as you. Apparently, Daddy's been slapping it. You know what I mean? Daddy's been slapping it. I need to start.
Axios reports that the U.S. is conducting stealth operations to transport oil through the Strait of Hormuz.
Need to start compounding a little bit more. Get more copy trading accounts. Move kills. I need to trade with you, bro. Stick around, brother. I have a free Discord in the bio. You'll know when I'm live. I'll be live tomorrow and Friday.
Axios piece on the feed now for those interested.
See how this reacts. I mean, this is too big of a candle. But we would still have room all the way down to 544. See. Really risky. Okay, so we didn't cross below. That 1 minute sweep makes that support and resistance. Let's see how it reacts. And you can see it's clear as day. Very, very strong. Comes down. Can't break it. Can't break it. Can't break it. Can't break it. Finally tries. And now it's playing. Now it's diddying around on it. Tried joining. It says link expired. Yeah, I wasn't live this morning. I had training at work. It says it's expired. I'll check it on their later smooth. It shouldn't be. I need to put my link tree in all of them instead. Maybe I could do that as I'm waiting here too. I don't want to put my attention away from everybody though. Link tree. Go to kick. Go to kick. No, it looks like this thing is gonna pile back up. I was expecting some continuation in the 4 hour, but no. Let's look at the 4 hour. That's ugly. The hell is that? Accumulation? That's hideous. Oof, the whole thing is hideous. the hideous, my friend. I can't write likes. Are you done? Against community guidelines? What? Oh my god, he stops at the 999. Let's see, let's go to kick. Log in. Always sending me codes. Always sending me codes.
What about a house? That, yep, and is, but that's already, we already, nigga, you dig?
I'm live. Let's see, how do I edit my bio? Settings? All right, link trees in the bio. My Discord should be there. Wow, it doesn't let you do the thing like that, huh? I might echo just for a second. I'm sorry. No, it doesn't let you do
So
it.
CNBC, citing
I can only
OpenAI
put it in my
CFO,
bio.
says that OpenAI will be public in 2027 or sooner.
Okay, updated that way. Labubuskre plug. Hi, cutie. Do not like the 6666. Not anymore. I put the link tree in my bio, Smooth Kills, if that helps. All I gotta do is copy and paste it. I'm walking for you. What's it called when you do like walks for others? I'm walking to make your profits go up. This
We
price
posted
action
the
looks like
CNBC piece
caca.
regarding this on the feed for those interested.
So just to update you guys, I took another payout last night.
SIBO Global Markets.
I might be up like
quickly
20
falls to session
G's in
lows
like
of
10 days,
4.2%.
dude. In payouts. But my trade day is now over 4,000, so I'm thinking now I won't be punished. Remember how I said trade day, if you take it out early, you have the they do the 50-50, but now I'm over 4,000, so I should be split 80-20 now, which is cool. We'll see. Let's I mean, this is a short here, but I feel like it's going to be not lived very long. Go smaller because I don't know if we should do it or not, but all right. I'm dead ass. I'm really scalping this. I don't want to hold it long. $4,000 P&L. I'm almost there, right? I need a real good setup, and then I'll go heavy. This isn't a real good setup here. This is like an iffy one.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Bird, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Trump says we have a meeting next week with AI people.
With AI people. That means he doesn't understand it. He doesn't understand any of AI. Oh, damn. Did I get TP already? Or hit TP already? I'll show you the ones that I hit this morning, guys. It was very fucking easy. Let's see. 9:30. All right, here's the early one. The price isn't moving yet, so I'll go over it. What we did. Super fucking easy. Okay. Just do this. 5M. I believe there was one M2, but let's see. 1M. Okay. Very good, man. I'll tell you how I made this trade. Literally, you can go back even more. Okay. So, this real quick. All right, so this is how I had that winning trade this morning. We have the 15-minute high and low of the 15-minute candle. You see it's marked out by the orange. You had your 1 minute candle.
We have a deal with Canada.
Let me start over. I'm sorry. So we got a 15-minute candle high and low marked out by the orange. 1 minute candle rips through, making it a sweep candle. Everybody thinks that it's going to fall. Well, it doesn't. It's just soul collecting. So you have that 1M mark for the sweep candle. I have it marked out here too. Candle finally closes above. Guess what? We also have an hourly candle here in the green. It's marked out by my indicator, right? So now we have not only one candle, 1M, but if we go to the 5-minute candle, you can see that it's right here marked out 5M. So when the candle closes above it, we make support and resistance. You can draw it across. You can see it's very strong. It closes above. So I'm going to hold that 1M that's on the 15-minute, and I'm going to go for the hourly. And then our TP is around the 50%. And we hit it right on the head there, baby. That was at least $1,000 move. Super simple. It was 172 points. That's how you do it. That's how you make this. What did I miss here?
Bird, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Does Lucid account negative daily P&L towards the consistency? I don't think so. No. It's whatever the end of day is. So if you made $3,000 a day, that was what it is. Oh God, I already got out of it. So, I'll explain it again, but on something smaller. Okay, right here. Right? This is live
Down on
action.
Iran sanctions says we'll see what happens.
Okay, so my orange here lines. This is my 15-minute candle. High and low is marked out. So, you need price action to break above it because that's the real resistance. So, when it breaks out, it becomes, the resistance is broken. The souls are getting collected. So, the 1M, 1 minute candle is marked out. We now mark out the low of that 1 minute. And then we're going to see how it reacts. Now, if it starts to close below this and then retouches it and uses as support, then we can short it to the 50%. Problem is, are you comfortable with taking that little bit of wiggle room for TP? But we'll go from there. It's not an open. Whoa, this thing went really fast. It's not an opening candle. This marks out every 15-minute candle. This is every hourly candle over here on the right. Then I got a 4-hour candle. So on the 1 minute time frame, I will enter when it breaks the 15-minute high here. I'm sorry. When we break the 15-minute high, that's the candle that we mark out. And once it closes below, that's when we can short it. But this candle's huge already. It's huge. It's already past the 50% retracement of the 15 minutes. Yeah, if you just keep watching, you'll get it more and more. There's ways to trade it against it too. So say I have this 1 minute time, 1M marked out the bottom. Say this candle didn't break through and it rejected off. You could actually long it. But it works really good in choppy markets, long markets. It don't matter. If you don't understand it yet, you will if you just keep watching. Let's see what says. Day 1, negative 1250. Day 2, plus 567. Day 3, 806. Day 4, 789. And consistency is 89%. What are you on? Pro or oh my god, what's the other one? Sorry, I'm tired. Either pro or whatever the fucking the other one is. Mr. Dad says everyone did good today. Promo firms are losing money today, I think. I saw one guy made $30,000 on one trade. Jesus. That's a lot. Flex. Thank you, Christine. Woo! I was going bananas there. All right, so pro is a big difference. Pro, you need the buffer, right? Pro, you need the buffer, which is $2,100. So until you hit that buffer, it's going to have a consistency of 89%. So if you start losing money, it'll be like, all right, you need 200%. Don't worry about that until you get the buffer. But say, that's why Flex is a little bit easier because it doesn't have any consistency. But Pro really isn't a big deal. I mean, if you make like 1,000, like what you're doing now, you made 560, 800, 786. If you just keep doing that, you're gonna get it no problem. Don't even sweat it. I promise. You're definitely on the right path. You're 600% after day 2. Yeah. See, so it goes off of your buffer too. See what happens here. We'll see how it reacts to this sweep candle here. Not that many points, so, it's like 10 points. But yeah, so say you didn't smooth kills. You taking any more trades today? Yeah, if I see anything. I'm not gonna get in blindly, you know. I'm trying to be more responsible. I need 150 for the day. Yeah, I might long this, but there's 40 seconds left. So the problem with this chop is that it's not giving me a lot of wiggle room. But yeah, the flex is much easier to think. You don't have to think. And they lowered the amount that you need. It used to be $200 a day. I think somebody said it's $150 a day now. So not bad, man. Not bad. Trump is speaking. Yeah. He's just talking, I think, to like random shit. He says meeting next week with AI people. That's what he said it was. See, like this is gonna short. Now we got a lot of bully blocks here. See, you see how it reacted to this support and resistance that I drew? It completely rejected it to the downside. OpenAI will be public in 2027. Still far away. I don't know, man. See the new Grok stuff. I would bet on I would bet on Elon right now. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now, I'd bet on Elon. His shit is if somebody's better, it's like he makes it a mission to make it better. It's crazy. Let's see how this reacts here in these order blocks. Like this are really big. Might keep dropping. I don't know.
Daddy?
What do you think? Ryder's gonna go down?
You?
Trump on the bond market says Americans should not be concerned about volatility.
Loquito, welcome to the show, Dad.
What it says 300 points coming. Am I missing something? I see the 15, pretty sure. That could be pretty quick. If it breaks this trend line, it's probably going to be nasty. You guys are right. But it's still respecting a lot of his areas. Look at this area it's respecting. QQQ to hit 750. What's the video doing today? Is it moving? Some movement today in the video, but look at that crapness. It looks terrible. I might actually go long on this, guys, if it pops. Yeah. I'm going to go long now. See, let's aim for about 560.
And Trump has now ended his remarks at the White House event.
560 I'm going for. If it closes below this box, then I'm going to have to get out. There's so many spots down here, though, guys. I could be wrong. Dead ass. It's already starting to fall. Yikes. Where are you going? Where are you going? Gotta wait for the price action to see what it's doing. I gotta wait for it to close. Yeah, just ripped right back up. There's also another huge order block here. There's a lot of order blocks, and it's just getting rejected to the upside. So I'm longing right now, but just for a I want to see what happens in these order blocks. It's premium week. Everyone's getting stressed. This does look a little heavy. Not gonna lie. There's so many here, though. There is so many. We'll see how it reacts. Where's the weekly gap? If I say short, then you definitely should long. That's what made me get in long. What? I'm just kidding. I could be totally wrong on this. Alright, we got a new. Oh, we might even get even bigger. That's where you're going? No thanks. See how it reacts here. Could be wrong, guys. Bro, please do not take buys right now. Wow, you guys are all really against me, huh? Trying to see how it reacts here. If it starts dumping, then yeah, I'm gonna have to get out. $500 right down here. Yeah, I don't want to hold it for five. Oof, there. This doesn't look good. Might have to close it. There's so many spots here, and I'm like, oh, let me hold it a little bit longer, but I can't. Just remember, this isn't my sweep strategy. Have you not seen the weekly gap? No, I haven't looked yet. I really want to close this. I can't, I'm going 6 now because I want to double my size. I'm thinking about getting back in. I just want to wait for more confirmation. I upped it to 6. The reason why I did 3 because my trade day doesn't want you to dollar cost average, I don't think. Can you tell me what it is so I don't have to look? I don't see it. See how it reacts here. The last one that I see. 1 second left. All right, I'm gonna put a buy right above. All right, I'm in long. Doesn't hold this one, then I'm screwed. We're gonna go full. We're gonna go for 545s. That fair value gap you were trading towards? Gotcha. Ah, in 1 minute is fucking MOC, bro. Got a hold here, else it's just too strong. Weekends. Did get
1
pretty
minute now
violent
until
to
we
the
get the
downside.
market's on-close imbalance.
Two-minute MOC, I know I'm risking it a little bit. General chat. 1 week. Oh, the fair value gap. I thought you meant like an actual gap. Understood. Bow, 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 now, now.
10 seconds.
See. Oh my god. That fucking wick.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 699 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 365 million. Dow 30 sell side 71 million. Mag 7 sell side 108 million.
Which is nothing. What are you doing? Why? Come on, raise all the way back up. Get your ass up there. Negative 627 million they just took out of the Nasdaq. MOC is when the feds adjust their books for the day. So they took out $627 million in the Nasdaq right now. For total, they took out total, and then stocks and companies tried to match it. I have my news that I pay for to see it. Don't fucking. Do you guys see it being that bearish? Emotions, talk to me. I didn't want it to go down that far, but it did. 6612. I love the likes. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Damn, this trade is not going up. And this isn't my sweep strategy. This was just a an order block strategy, but it just keeps dumping through them. We're at that low. We took it out. We can easily get right back up in there. Got 2 minutes left. Oh, really? What? Come on, bounce, baby. There we go. Come on. Get your ass up there. Honestly, I kind of want to take fucking more. But I don't want to be too, I don't see why this doesn't rip up. It was all for shits and giggles. Come on, start ripping up. You just start skipping a little bit to the upside. Oh my god. Don't be a pain in the ass. That's the 355 algo. Oh. You think he's gonna keep going down? Like, what is this thing doing, man? What is this thing doing? See, so it swept that low. I'm trying to see like where else it could be doing. Gotta be a bounce area here, I'm telling you. Daddy knows, he sees it. I'm just missing the wrong one. Trying to figure it out. Now, 100% if it does drop below this one, I'm definitely wrong. 476. I wonder if it wants the whole fucking thing, which would suck. I couldn't hold down there. It would be too much. One-hour major SSL. Yeah, I think it pops up. Definitely going to see a structure break here if it keeps going past 520. And then Daddy will be right. It just needed to... It needed to adjust its books. That's it. Come on! This damn fucking order block here won't break it. It won't break above it. It needs to smash through. Once it does, it should like completely shoot up. Come on. There you go. This is the real test right here. 520s. That's the real test. Come on. You could do it. Joe Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Joe Daddy. Just give it to him. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's got a lot of resistance to get through. Come on. So much. I feel like I should make this 3. We'll do 3 and 3. Oh, all right. I got out. Damn, there it goes. Oh! Sorry, Mr. Bob. There he is again. Damn it! Why the fuck is he always right? Ah! I'm gonna fall on my treadmill. I was off a little bit though. I didn't know if it was this order block or this order block. I'm like, I'm gonna find it. I know it's here. $10K likes? You guys rock. I will massage your fingers right now. What? Do you prefer me to like suck on them like little cow milk udders? Or do you want me to like massage your fingers like this? Which one is it?
Daddy?
I'm very strong, so I can do
Daddy,
like a
is that you?
really
Is that
strong
you?
version. You know, like the deep tissue massage.
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you?
Mia. King moves. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Both
Daddy,
at the
chill.
same time. All right, let me practice. I'm not proud to do this on the internet, guys, all right? I'm not proud. But I feel like it's going to go like this. Open my mouth and then like that. That's me massaging your fingers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I'm walking at the same time. Pretty fucking talented. Pretty fucking talented. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Oh, I know. Guys, don't get too excited at home, right? Do. Let's see. I don't really see there's any other news. $3,724.90. How many accounts am I copy trading? 3 live accounts. 3. Actually, I lied. Two funded. 1 eval. My other one got fucking chopped. I got in trouble. Accidentally traded the news on Lucid's daily account. And you can't do that. 4,000, bro. Go. Yeah, as soon as I get I don't want to just jump in blindly. I needed something to go, you know? This is real cash we're talking about here. What? I just took a payout yesterday. I took a payout yesterday. And my trade day, which you can take daily payouts on, I'm at $4,182. So I could technically take out anything above 4,000 without having any penalty. So now I'm debating on what to do. Or I could just take the 4,000 and just run. Can I just run with it? You said short one, so that I'm gonna go long, okay? mRNA. Take it and run. Wow, look at fucking NVIDIA. What a dumb city. But look at this. See how it's resistance here in this order block? So it's stopped in its tracks right on it. What do you say? mRNA? Moderna? Let's see. Yeah, it keeps ripping up. What is the news? Let's see. Strong clinical data noted. Full readouts. Okay. 50-50 cost and profit split. I have no
US
idea
total
what the
public
fuck it
debt
was saying.
outstanding exceeds the record of
I have no idea what that
$40 billion.
means. Guys, if you're not following, hit that follow button. What indicators? These are my own personal indicators. The news is a scam? Yeah, I don't know. News has been a fucking scam all fucking week. Oh, you would have been right. What? So my indicators, my own indicators that I personally have coded myself. That's the only thing I charge for. Free Discord in the bio. You got to go to the VIP section. You get a 30-day free trial. After the 30-day trial, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. Only thing I charge for. It's my fucking work. It's my fucking work. But this money today, I basically made all using the sweep candles, sweep strategy, and that's my personal strategy. I haven't seen anybody use it. So how come? It's probably because of contracts, contract expirations. It's trying to condense it for you. Rule 1, work must be appreciated. There you go. Let me pin that one, art and music. This is true. I mean, knock on wood. I mean, I have my bad days, but I mostly have my good days. I've literally posted of August, my payouts are extremely high. I was hoping that that one guy would come in here and try to fade me. I need some publicity, you know what I mean? There's a guy that goes around fading all the experts.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Maybe I need to start being mean.
Midnight Rich, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Whoa, Mo. No, we like how you are. Thank you, Sarah Perry. Try to be myself, you know? Fuck them all. One of a kind. I don't know if we're going to get any more trades, guys. Market kind of slowed down. Slow down. All I know, if you're not following, hit that follow button. I do have this thing, right, where anybody that's not following, I can see your IP address. Wow, that might get me banned. That was a joke. I was gonna say I was gonna crawl into your room while you're sleeping and watch you. That's it. That's all I was gonna say. I was just saying that. I wasn't gonna touch you. I might touch myself, but I'll be standing in the corner of the room. That's it. Got you. I got you. King moves.
Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill.
That needs 3, doesn't it?
Daddy, chill.
D-Bum, is this live? It's not live. Am I gonna trade Asia? I don't know. Asia's hit or miss, you know? It's summertime, you know? It's time to go in the pool, do some workouts, maybe drink. I don't know.
Daddy, chill.
So, art and music. So, you're telling me. Ski Bum says, do you play Dungeons and Dragons? Honestly, if I was smart enough, I would play that game. I heard it's awesome. I was born like this, though. If that's what you're getting at. How do you make those sounds go? Do you do it? Yeah. Ready? You want me to show you? Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill. Does it sound like me? What? Yeah, this is pre-recorded. Do I sound like it?
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill. Every time that somebody follows me, that's me.
Looking at the market wrap
That's
now
my
for the
real
close
voice.
session, Wall Street rebounded as the Treasury announced intentions to increase buybacks of longer-dated bonds.
Thank you, art music. I like to
indicating
change
that
it
the
up.
US aims to reduce borrowing costs after yields reach multi-decade highs. A rise in 30-year bonds lowered rates by 10 basis points to around 5.19.
When someone follows me, go ahead, unfollow me and follow me. It'll say, Daddy, is that you? That's me.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Yeah, that's me. That's my real voice.
Chips.
Daddy, chill.
That's not me, though. Daddy, chill. Ugh. Definitely need the pool, though. The pool's calling my name, you know what I mean? I need to get, like, I need to get a portable PC and bring it to the pool. I guess I could just do a laptop, right? And then you guys are going to see me, my horns going through the water. And then every time I win a trade, every time I do a trade, you'll see me swimming in the water like a dolphin. Going in and out of the water like this with my horns. Would that be weird? Ryder said, "Let's trade Asia." Yeah, I don't know. I have some people coming over too, so I will be on tomorrow and Friday though, in the morning. Do you think about the days? So on the chart, yellow is the fair value gap order block. What, this line here? No. So let me delete these. So these purple candles
Daddy?
are order
Daddy,
blocks.
is that
Order
you?
blocks
Is that you?
is basically when a bank will start to reverse. The easiest way to describe it is, say like a green candle comes in and then you have a red candle,
Daddy?
and then the
Daddy,
next
is
green
that
candle
you?
that
Is
comes.
that you?
The only people that can do that are huge institution buyers. So you see how it goes green to red and then super green again? They got in on this red candle. So those are institutional buys. So if you could time it right on the reverse, you can get in for the longs here. And that's what I did there. I timed it a little bit wrong. I thought it was going to be this one here, but it's not. It didn't. It didn't hold. It wanted the bigger one. Now, this yellow line here is actually when the 1 hour got swiped. I have to go to the 5-minute candle. So the 1 hour low was swiped. Each candle I mark out every single time there's a new one. It's swiped. It's marked out. So my indicator marks it out, right? So you got your 1 hour high and low. 5-minute candle swipes the 1 hour low, and then you have a close above it. So technically, this gave it momentum to rip up. And at the time, it does hit the 50%, so we're Gucci there. So that's kind of like how I trade. It's 15-minute and 1 hour high and lows, support and resistance. See how it breaks it, holds it, retouches, and then we long it and take profit around the 50%. I mean, for the past 3 or 4 weeks, I'm definitely at like an 80% win rate on it. And my payouts show, so. And I like this strategy, and I used it for a long time, but it was hard to teach. Now I think I could teach it much easier. Before I was just doing order blocks, and it seemed like a lot of people were having trouble understanding it. So I switched to this strategy. This strategy is so much easier to teach. There's a there's always going to be a stop loss, and there's always going to be a TP target. So you should look into IOF. What is that one? IO Feds there?
So U.S. State
You lost
Department
me on that one.
spokesperson to Al Jazeera says the Trump administration opened discussions regarding the sovereignty of Syria
Never heard of
and
that.
Israel's right to defend itself.
You youngins come out with all these initials, abbreviated stuff. I feel old. A lot of the stuff, institutional order flow entry drill. It's probably called something else though. I mean, right here was MOC release. MOC. I knew that was a weak ass. It was only what? They took out 600 million. That's nothing compared to what we've been seeing. It's been like 3 billion. So as soon as I saw that, I'm like, oh, it's a fake out too. So it confirmed it was gonna go back up for me. But yeah, send it to me. I'll check it out. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. There's not much going on here, and the market closes in about 40 minutes, so it might just die down. I'll definitely be on tomorrow morning. You guys want to come check me out? If I do hop into Asia or anything like that, I'll let you guys know in Discord. But Asia's, I can't fucking promise it. I do trade a lot from my phone. But see you later, Christine. But yeah. So let me wrap this up. 2 prop firms that I use is Lucid and Trade Day. Use code BULLY. I also have TradeSyncer I'm affiliated with. Use same code BULLY. The more you guys use my code, the more I can get back to you guys. We usually do a giveaway at least once a week. I'm gonna try to see if I can get another one this week. If not, I'll use my own money to give out to you guys. Mr. Dad, what are you gonna spend in that 3K, Mr. Dad? All right, JD, I'm gonna check it out. I'll check it out. I sent it in Discord with a very brief explanation. Cool. Check it out. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I don't know. Honestly, I'm thinking about getting some massages. I'm up a lot of fuck. Me and you both, Mr. Dad, have had a great month. You got a Chanel bag? Hell no. You better appreciate it. You tell mom. Okay, good. Don't you hate going back to real life after vacation? It's terrible. The women in our life are so jealous. You're talking about your daughters, are you? They're probably jealous too. Oh, friends, gotcha. Got a Carter ring, Europe trip this year, and more. Damn. You spoiling her. Bear's big. Perfect. That trading money should be for you. You'll spend it on yourself. It does feel good though. 3K is a nice payout at one time. Yes! Thank you, Dad! Hopefully the market keeps blessing us this whole month. It's been really, really nice. From Flex 2, I need $600 more than that. But I'm stuck in the jail, so I have to wait until 2 days. But my trade day is over 4,000, and I got my Lucid Pro all the way back up to 3,300. So today's what? Wednesday? Thursday? Friday. So Friday night, if I do okay, I'll have another payout. That'd be sweet. That'd be sweet, yeah. And you know what else I've been doing, Mr. Dad? I've been so I only took what, $1,500 or $1,600 out yesterday. I could have waited, right? I could have waited and had the a $2,500 payout, but I've been taking just a little bit earlier. I'm like, fuck it, let's just take it. feel like it's like I don't know if I'm being greedy or I'm scared to lose it or I'm just like it's there, let me take it. I don't know if it's a good method or not. I mean, I think making multiple $1,500 is pretty good. Yeah, I'm trying to be smart. That's what I think I'm trying to do. Because I've been averaging like, I would say, with all the counts, like $1,500 every 2 days. So it's definitely adding up. So I think I'm going to buy another daily, and I just need to be more careful, right? That's what I think I need to do. Especially with the 40% off. Not be an idiot and trade during news. That pissed me off. That was almost $3,000. No, it was $3,200 it took away from me. And it disappeared. Oh, and then Mr. Dad, also last Friday, when I accidentally did the hedging, it took away $2,200. So I'm definitely fighting a little bit. I was so mad I did that. So can you instant activate Mr. Dad or no? Like once you pass, or you gotta wait for the day to be over? Okay. Because mine didn't give me no time frame. It just said I can't do it anymore. Yeah, Flex is amazing. It's got no thinking rules. You know what I mean? They rule that don't share it without asking. Oh, Dan, do I have to ask for it? Or are they going to give it to me? Because they told me there's nothing I could do about it. Alright, I'll maybe have to contact them back. Do I trade live accounts? I trade funded accounts, like through prop firms. Okay, I got you. I hope. Even though, like, it might save me money because I won't be rushing. Funded, I do very well, man. It's a great profit return if you know how to trade. You know, you take $90 and you turn it into this. Easier said than done, right? I bet you it did because you're not rushing to get it done. Just check to see what my shit says. %40 off. How much is that cost? About what strategy do you use? I use support and resistance with candlestick patterns. So I have like 15-minute or the 1 hour. If they get swiped on a lower time frame, then I'll look for a rejection or somehow. I've been doing very, very well. How you feel about Funded Next? Funded Next was a little bit expensive. I don't know if they changed the price recently, but it was a little bit pricey. I don't really look at anything unless it's close to Lucid. So Lucid like around $90 for very easy accounts, less rules, and they pay out every time. Oh, maybe they got cheaper. Is there an activation fee? All I know is that Trade Day paid me, so they paid me. I asked for another payout, so let's see what happens. Helped me a lot, correct. And jumping off and into a funded and losing the same day. Yeah, I can see that happening. I'll have to look at it, King Move. These other prop firms got to be doing something to try to catch up. Lucid is just destroying it. They're killing it right now. The only other one is Tradeify. Tradeify is just as good almost, I think. Now, Trade Day, my honest opinion on Trade Day. I'm affiliated with Trade Day. They paid me, but they did warn me about a dollar cost averaging, saying I need to, I don't know what the hell it said. It said I needed to wait and not make so many orders at one time. So I did change my order style. Like if I wanted to average down, I was closing my trades and then just doubling it and then getting back in. But I'm at $4,000 already on Trade Day, so we'll see. Yes, Mr. Dad, I did, and I definitely want to check them out now. If it's 3 days, oh, that sounds amazing. Same price too? Look at it right now. Fuck it. I'm gonna turn my camera off though, real quick. Yeah, I take Profit Trader. I did see that. I was like, oh shit, because that was my biggest gripe with them was it took too long, right? And then you had to get the then you had to get over the buffer. I like Trade Day because you didn't have to get over the buffer. That's the only prop firm I know that you don't need a buffer. Yeah, they hammer you on the fees to take it out, but that's the only one. A lot of you guys can't get payouts, so let's see. Yeah, say 3 days. Withdrawal process immediately.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you? Is that
Let's
you?
see here. Keystone Marcy. I'm curious here. Let's see. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, I stopped trading them because remember I was like fucking gambling on it. Take Profit Trader score. Okay, account status. On hold. No. Active. No. Test. Well, how much is it off? Let's see. Oh shit, it's 50% off? So $85. Alright, that's cool. But is it still intraday, right? It's intraday. Pretty sure it's intraday once you're live. I'm still not going back to TPT though. The rules are still going too crazy. What was the rule? It was just like the news, right? It was just the news, wasn't it?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Texas with the roses. News suck, but they will kill your account. Livid, they just remove your profits. No, dude. Lucid fucking took away my entire account. Mr. Dad, it literally took 3,000 away. Yeah. Hey, Texas, thank you so much for the 7 roses. You're the best. Yeah, they took like I think it was like $3,200 they took out. I went to go request a payout, and I'm like, where the fuck's my account? And then they told me I traded during the news. It was so upsetting. It wasn't upsetting, but thank God I was doing good. So I would have been up like almost like, I think a $30,000 month. They didn't, I got some things that went against me. No, you're the best, Texas. Don't get me into you are the best war, because I'm going to win. What's up, Martin?
Daddy, chill.
But take profit trader, man. Shit. The way I'm trading. How did they know you traded the news? Oh, man, you're in the world of AI, man. They have like anybody that had an open trade during that time frame, they warn you. Not even warn you. They actually just delete your account. Doubt yourself every day, but only to make yourself better. Oh yeah, baby. I like that quote. So do you think, well, I don't know, dude. What was that? $80 sounds really good. The daily on Lucid is 130, right? Kind of expensive. Not expensive, but comparing, I guess.
Daddy, is that you?
So what's
Is
the
that
best
you?
prop to do? Honestly, right now is Lucid. But Lucid took, it depends on what you're getting. So like Lucid, like Flex. Lucid Flex, you could pass in 2 days. I mean, it's up to you, Texas. I've been using Trade Day. I did have the warning, but they paid me. They paid me. Did Funded Family get better? I still don't like them. But my opinion, Lucid's got the no bullshit. They are getting a little bit pricey though. I'll admit that. Lucid's price has gone up a little bit. No, Texas. Well, there's a difference on there, Texas. So say so you know how you have to have a let's just take Apex, right? Say you pass Apex and then you need to get $2,100 before you can even look at a payout. That's even before you look out getting a payout. Trade Day, you can make $1,000, take the $1,000 out, but they take 50% of it, and you get to keep $500. But guess what? A lot of people can't pass that buffer, so they're killing it. Also, a lot of payouts for Lucid underfunding. Most of them aren't going live. Really? I'm like scared they're gonna make me live soon. The way I'm trading. So did you get that, Texas? So if you wanted to do Apex, right? If you wanted their full payout, you would need $3,500. My funded futures is GOAT at the moment. Rapid end of day accounts, no consistency in funded and daily payouts up to 10K. Isn't that one? Is that the I heard that it goes to intraday though. Like your evals is end of day, and then once you go funded on the daily payouts, it's intraday. That's what I heard. Loose about to turn the top step? I hope not. I don't think they will. They've been pretty truthful about everything. Lucid's been like, hey, we're raising the price because we can't afford it. Some of you guys are really good. That's what they like basically say.
News disconnected.
Which I'm cool with. Yeah, I think that's what it is, JDM. It once you go to live. So everybody was pumped on that, and then once you go to live, it's intraday trailing drawdown, which I don't care. It doesn't faze me anymore. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. It is beautiful out here in New Jersey, so I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the weather. Maybe go in the pool, hang out, have fun. All right. I'll be on tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning, and also I'll be on Friday too. If I do hop on any other time that's random, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Discord's in the bio. It's free. If you want access to indicators, VIP section, 30-day trial out that is $1 a day, 30 for the month. No, on here it says funded. It's still end of day. I'll look back into it, but I did look at it, and because they were saying, oh, this is the next big thing, the daily payouts up to 10 G's, and then you look at it and it said intraday once you're funded. It's like hidden. But other than that, my funded futures is seems pretty good too. They just won't fucking affiliate me. I don't know what it is. Same thing with Tradeify. They won't affiliate me either. They may have changed it. Yeah, maybe they did. I just know there was a big stink about it. Cause I got excited too, and I was like, oh dude, like it was like unlimited pay fucking shit. Rapid end of day is here. You log in. Alright, let's go to sign in. I'm gonna do it really quick. I be giving away too many accounts. I give away as much as I can. You know, it also helps me grow too. You know, we do giveaways, but it's expensive sometimes when you don't have the money. Like if I didn't get payouts, I probably would do it way less. Let's see. Start a challenge. All right. Rapid end of day, right? Daily payouts with end of day drawdown. Ooh, I think they changed it, dude. JDM. I think they changed it. Let's see. Trading rules. Let's see. Funded rules. End of day. Oh, shit. No consistency. 3 contracts. Deal. They definitely changed it. You need a buffer, though. You need a 2.1K buffer. Yeah, I think there was people mad. They were like, why the like he hyped it up like crazy, dude. And then it was kind of expensive though. Shit, it's $125. But you're not getting end of day anywhere else. Yeah, it definitely was intraday. It was all over the like Reddit and stuff. Huh. All right, that's cool. How many days to pass, does it say? Consistency rule 30%. What was that, 4 days to pass? I think that's 4 days to pass, dude. It's a long time. Especially that much money. But Creatify is 1 day, but that's only for their 5-day payout. We're talking about the daily payouts. $10K daily payout? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. But honestly, yeah, it's end of day. It's pretty big. I was gonna say we're just talking about take profit trader and it's whatever. Cowboy says bully you coming later and later these days. No, I'm not. I had training today. If you were in my Discord, you would know that, Cowboy. Actually, you asked me yesterday. You asked me if I was trading any women. $10K. Hope Face is what I recommend Top Step. So Top Step is coming back. You have to use their trading software though. Top Step X. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna hop off. Are you in my Discord, Cowboy? You piece of poop. Yeah, I gotta get off. I keep saying I'm gonna get off, and I didn't get off. But I'll be on tomorrow morning, guys.
They say money can't buy happiness.
Adios,
Look at the fucking
Martin. Thank you. I
smile on my
appreciate you.
face.
You're the best. You're the best. If you're not following, hit that follow button.